Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from Xantrex, and I'm going to go over a few features and some of the things you should know about the Dynamax iSATA 3 Freedom Edition. Now, another feature of these batteries is the maintenance feature. Usually we would use these in certain circumstances, but if you are attached to shore power and you attempt to do maintenance mode, you will see that you get a quick flash of the lights. And then you will see that your eGEN display does start to populate, but it'll say MNT, which is maintenance mode. It shows that you have the inverter and it shows that you have shore power, but your batteries are still flashing, again, showing that you're in maintenance mode. To get out of this, you would simply press the button and you'll come back into your normal screen.